Hi, this is Sherry from Watch Learn Eat. Today I'm going to be opening my brand new package from Misfits Market. Let's see what's inside. There we go. Okay, so some nice packaging. All right, we've got some, oh, everything is still cold, which is really good. And I've got walnuts. What else do we have? Some mushrooms. Okay. Spring mix lettuce. Baby spinach. What else did we get? Oh, this is very nice. Some rainbow Swiss chard. Okay. Keeping everything there. And, okay, so it came with this ice pack. If anyone orders anything from there, that's why it's still cold. And it was shipped 2 days ago. Okay, let's see. We have a microgreen sampler. Okay, I've got some more spinach. That's an English cucumber. Brussels sprouts, Honeycrisp apples, already cubed butternut squash, and last but not least, we've got an eggplant. All right, so as you can see, we have a nice variety of veggies and some fruits too, and nuts. And I really like using Misfits Market because a lot of this produce is much more expensive at the grocery store. Also, it's really convenient to not have to go to the grocery store. So I do like that aspect of it. You can pick out whatever you want for your week. You don't get stuff pre-selected. That used to be the way, but now you can choose what you want. You have to spend at least $30, and you can skip a week if you have too much from last time, or if you don't need anything else, or if you're going to be away, and every week you can build a different box. They also have cold items besides this. Frozen items, like I had gotten Impossible Burger one time, which was awesome, and they also sell like Milko's cheese, so it's really great to check out what else they might have besides produce. So I definitely recommend checking out Misfits Market. Check out my link below.